Hi guys, and welcome back to SMC Wolf FX. My name is Aman, and today we'll be going over the pound versus dollar trading pair for the 6th of Jan 2023 non-farm payroll day. I'll be discussing what the market did and also go over a 1 to 6 risk to reward setup. Before we begin, what is non-farm payroll, or otherwise known as NFP? It's simply the number of new jobs created during the previous month in all non-agricultural business in the US. So the latest data release, which happened on Friday the 6th of Jan, 223,000 new jobs were created for the month of December 2022. And these monthly changes in payroll can be extremely volatile due to its high relation with economic policy decisions made by the central bank. The number is also subject to strong reviews in the upcoming months, and those reviews also tend to trigger volatility in the Forex board. Generally speaking, a high reading is seen as positive for the dollar, while a low reading is seen as negative. What you're seeing here is the 1 hour chart for the pound versus dollar as at 8 AM UK time on the Friday. Dissecting the morning price action, points number 1, equal highs were created during the Asian trading range, meaning the market would have a tendency to trade above these equal highs at some point in time. Points number 2, we also have similar equal lows created at the London session open, which again I see liquidity sitting below this price range, where the market would have the tendency to trade down into. Points number 3, IPTA, otherwise known as the interbank price delivery algorithm, which opened up bearish, and usually when this tends to occur you can expect a bullish daily bias. Hence my expectation for the day was to see price trade down below the equal lows, take out the sell side liquidity before trading bullish to close off the week post non-farm payroll market volatility. That brings us to point number 4, a 1 hour order block in line with a standard deviation price range, with the red lines being the central bankers dealers range standard deviation, with the central bankers dealers range being assumed to be from 7 PM to 1 AM GMT and only using the bodies of the candles on the 1 hour chart, and the yellow lines being the flout standard deviation, which is the combined range of the central bankers dealers range and the Asian session, using the wicks to mark out this range. So this gives us a price range to expect bullish price action from and to place in entries towards our bullish daily bias. Finally, an expectation was put in place for the market to trade up into a 1 hour order block, which is point number 6 on the chart, which would also efficiently price in the market in the form of a 1 hour fair value gap, which is point number 5 on the chart. And this is the chart post non-farm payroll as at 5 PM GMT, and clearly as you can see, price ended up trading bullish to close off the week after trading below the equal lows into the 1 hour order block, perfectly turning bullish from the flout standard deviation 1, just proving the points of how grasping the concept of market algorithms can be so powerful in precise Forex trading. This is a screenshot I took as soon as my take profit was hit on my NFP trade setup. The charts was simplified to exclude most of my analysis, so I've replicated the entry drill using replay mode, which I'll play for you guys right now.
And said to myself, whatever you do, you won't do it partially. From this day forward, I move with a new ferocity. Ferrari coupe velocity, a fail-proof philosophy. Success is in the effort, so if you try this hardest, I'm at peace, knowing God ain't dealing in this group of gods for me. Some people say that I'm running third, they threw the bronze at me. Behind Drake and Dot, yeah, them is superstars to me. Maybe deep down, I'm afraid of my luminosity. So when you see me on red carpets, I'm moving awkwardly, posing all nervous, afraid of the judgment. And the thought of showing too much of my day is repugnant. I be keeping my kids away from the gaze of the public, cause these days it feel like hate is their favorite subject. Attitude like a young O'Shea with an AK aimed at your brain, violating, I bust it. I don't play when it come to family, that's one thing I refuse. Pipping their kids out for views, it's just to be in the news, can never be me. I'm dissing a celebrity T. God with me on this record, this is Heaven's EP. The tale's official. Breathing, it just failed to hit you. You couldn't tell cause you fell for the bells and whistles. And that's an area I don't excel. I'm from the field where young girls talk grown
Okay, so that's the end of this NFP trade review video. I hope this was useful and provided you an insight into how I would generally trade a high impact news event such as non-farm payroll. On that note, I'll see you all in the next video.